Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The GeoTech-Pro GT-MR 76 Mini Rider Tractor is equipped with a LONCIN petrol engine with a displacement of 432 cubic centimeters. The mechanical transmission features 5 forward gears and 1 reverse gear, while the electric start is powered by a 12-volt lead-acid battery, enabling quick and effortless engine ignition. The cutting deck has a width of 76 centimeters and includes a height adjustment system with 6 positions, ranging from 20 to 85 millimeters. This allows the cutting height to be adapted to different ground conditions. The cutting system offers 3 operating modes: rear collection, side discharge, and mulching, providing several lawn management options depending on the season and specific needs. The collection bag has a capacity of 170 liters, reducing the need for frequent emptying during cutting operations. The front wheels measure 25 centimeters and the rear wheels 38 centimeters, ensuring good stability and traction even on uneven surfaces. The compact design and ergonomic seat contribute to making the use of the tractor more manageable during extended work sessions. Now for the product assembly guide. visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.